Hey, welcome back. While editing that first review to put up on YouTube, I was smoking away and pretty much emptied out the cartridge. And as you can see, I've already pulled it apart. There's the thing. There was a little bit of wetness left, but that was it. I think I got about, I'd say 15 or 16 good hits off of it. And I tell you, when I say I got some good hits off of it, I mean it was actually smoking pretty damn good. I didn't get it on video, but I will. So now we're actually gonna go ahead and refill this cartridge with the juice I ordered. Alright, sorry about that. I had to open the bottle here. Alright, so they say you want to fill the cartridge about 3/4 at first, so we'll start by doing that. Looks like I got it, about 3/4. Yeah, that looks good. Actually, it looks more like half, but that's alright. I'm gonna put you up here so I don't spill nothing now. Grab my little piece of cotton stuff. Oh, and I read somewhere that these screw up over time. All you gotta do is go to like Walmart or somewhere, or even a pet store, and you can get one of two things. You can get that polyfill stuff that they put in, like, you know, when your grandma would make pillows and she'd use that polyfill. That, or the filters, or the water filter for a fish aquarium, the fish tank. Those will work too. You just gotta cut them to size. I saw a video on that, so I'm gonna look into buying some more in case these go bad. Alright, so now I pushed it back in there and I made sure it's nice and level. There we go. And now I'm just going to add more juice to it until it won't accept it anymore. We're at the top now. That's the video I edited, it just finished. Alright, so I just filled the cart. Close up the bottle. Make sure I wipe the edges of the cart here. I don't want to crap all over the place here. Alright. Go ahead and we'll pop that back in there. There we go. And let's smoke. This is the Marlboro flavor. And it's the high, I believe, 18 milligram. So here we go. Now that tastes pretty damn good. Do it again. Look at that vapor, huh? Damn. It's got a really nice taste to it too. It's got a good throat hit too, I like that. And it's smooth. Ah. Yes. Ah. Got my beer. And there you have it. It works great. I love it. Awesome. I'm glad I got this. Only bad thing is the cartridge. Well, when I pulled it out, that was a cartridge I pulled out of the bottle, so honestly it didn't last that long. So now I just filled it with my own juice. So we'll see, maybe it'll last longer. But it seems like I might have to purchase some extra empty cartridges to fill and keep with me on hand. But other than that, this thing is stellar. I love it. It's awesome. Let's do this again. So good. And it's got a great taste to it too. So there we go. And that's it for now. Awesome. My next video, I'm going to do a side-by-side compare. I've already returned the green smoke, but I took some previous video. I'm going to put that video with another video, and I'm going to compare smokage, box size, and all that happy horse shit. So I'm going to set up my first video now. I'm going to upload that to YouTube, and then I'm going to set this one up. See you later.